and I'm here with Truck and Travel. Run, Warriors!
I know you're gonna dig this.
Alright guys, we picked up our load in Tennessee, not too far from the Nashville area. We are currently somewhere in southwestern Kentucky. It's around not too far from 8 p.m. tonight.
I don't know if you guys noticed or if we're going to show that clip, but my eyes got completely watered up. It was completely unexpected, but one of the cars in front of us, we went through a drive-thru at Wendy's and they paid for our meal. And we've never had anybody do that before, and it was so unexpected, you know. It took me
We had the truck, so
by
yeah.
surprise.
Can I get a triple Baconator minus ketchup, just a sandwich?
Alright, so a triple Baconator, only ketchup?
Yes,
Only ketchup? No
Oh,
ketchup.
I'm sorry. Minus ketchup. Sorry about that.
What else can I get for you?
Dave's double.
Can I get a Dave's double minus ketchup, just a sandwich?
Yes. What that you?
Can I get 2 small vanilla Frosties?
Yes, sir. What else can I get for you?
Oh, that's it.
Alright, the 1655 second with reference, so thank you.
Alright, thank you very much. So tonight we should end our trip in, well, before the day's over I should say. We'll be somewhere in Missouri.
There's a storm there right now. It looks icy and
Yeah, some
wintry.
kind of storm.
Hey, we've been here before.
Have we? It just seems really weird.
It's sprinkling.
Ooh, son
Did
of
you
a
feel
gun.
that?
No.
I just saw a sprinkle.
We're headed for Reno, Nevada. Don't know how much of this trip we're going to be able to record, but we're going to try to do as much as we can and to bring you guys along.
Change of plans. The bathroom's locked down, so we can't use it because they got to clean it. So it'll be another 20 minutes. And Cinnamon needs to get to sleep. So, start it.
Wanted to tell you guys that our fleet owners is looking for a team to drive. They got about 3 trucks opening up pretty soon, including the one behind me, which is currently ours. We're going to be moving up to a 3-axle one. So there's going to be two or three trucks opening, I believe, coming up pretty soon. Pre-application down below in the description if you want to fill that out. So it doesn't guarantee you a spot, but at least it puts your foot in the door for an opportunity to drive for our fleet owners. They're great people. I'm glad we drive for them. you know, after driving for them this long, I don't think I would want to drive for anybody else. Very satisfied. We thought about owning our own truck, but right now we're content with just being with Aaron and Dave. We're really grateful for our opportunity. And so if you'd like one, down below, fill it out. Road Warriors!
I'm gonna drive a faster car, nothing can break me, no, no, nothing can break me. Try not to hold me down, feel alive when I'm in this town. Look at the beautiful stars, I wanna take a trip to Mars. Nothing can break me, no, no, nothing can break me.